Hello everyone, Mark Stav, JV Marine. I just want to introduce to you Quintrex's flagship model in the Braeside range, the 630 Freestyler, the Apex hull design. Huge narrow entry in the front for better ride and performance, massive bow, and also with a 200 ProXs V8 4.6 litre. Can't wait to get it on the water and show you how it goes. Let's get out there, Mitch, and show everyone how this beast travels. See you out there. Awesome day out here on the bay, guys. This boat is an absolute treat to drive with a V8 200 ProXs 4.6 litre Mercury on the back. Absolutely love it. Give you some very quick performance figures. Firstly, we'll take off and show you how much this thing absolutely rips out of the water. It does a maximum speed of 80 kilometers an hour at 6,000 RPM using 77 litres per 100 per hour. At 4,000 RPM, it's doing 55 kilometers an hour using 32 litres. And at wakeboard speed around 3,000 RPM, you're doing 31 kilometers and you're using about 21 litres an hour. And that's amazing for a 4.6 litre V8. So let's take it for a drive and see how she goes. You holding on? Right, ready?
Ready.
Here we go! Look at this beast of a thing! All the way up, full trim out, 6,000 RPM, 78 Ks, 3 on board, full tank of fuel. Awesome how it grabs and holds. The big 200 turns the boat beautifully. Awesome all-round boat. We'll back it down to 4,000 RPM. So we're doing 4,000 RPM, 53 kilometers an hour. We're using 33 litres. That'll get you everywhere you want to go with this very large size tank in the boat. So 4,000 RPM, 53 kilometers an hour. Awesome cruising speed. We'll go to your wakeboard speed. This boat's got plenty of performance to give you that. Really holds the line. 3,200 RPM, we're still doing 40 kilometers an hour. We're using 21 litres per hour. Let's give it another go flat out, Mitch. That's all I like doing. You ready?
Ready.
That's freaking awesome. Man, that is power. There we go. Full trim out.